Hi everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. This is John. A little unboxing video. There's already been a lot of these, but I'm going to do it anyways. And this is what we got today. The Fcx24m Toyota Tacoma. Ready to run. I do kind of miss, oh, that's a box. I was expecting the truck to be on that end, don't know why. I'm sure this is the transmitter. Got an extra gear, battery charger, a few other little knick-knack things in there. We'll do a quick running of this. I forgot I ordered something else. Ordered some shocks because they were on sale. Completely forgot about those. I do kind of miss the like plastic, or like the styrofoam. Containers that they used to come in. But I think FMS is really stepping up their game. As far as scale details, the quality of what they ship, but their scale game has been spot on the last couple of months or years. Pull my chair over, but these do come ready to run. Get your battery charger. Gotta have a different grill. You can put a Toyota emblem in. Don't see a Toyota emblem in here. Oh, there it is. There's a little Toyota emblem. And I guess you could change this out, the little bumper part. Is that a skid plate that goes? Probably where that goes. Look in the manual real quick, see what it says. There's not a whole lot in there. That's all right. But the body, probably like most of the other 24Ms. we're just going to leave all this here. It has the Velcro in the front and just picks up. And it's a little bit longer. I have by Fcx24m, one of my Camel Cup trophies. And it's a little bit shorter wheelbase, not by much. But I don't know how well you can see this body. But that red looks really good. Wheels and tires look good. I think it just looks awesome. It's very detailed. I like the roof rack on it. I'm gonna do a quick video crawling on my indoor course. It's cold outside today, and I don't really want to be out there in it. So we'll be back. I'm going to do a quick running video, then we'll be back and kind of go over a few things. Okay, everybody, we're back. It crawled okay. Straight out of the box. Little bitty tires. My little tester course. Indoor course. Not really made for these. There's one part I showed in the video. I didn't even try to go up that because that's more for buggies and class 2, class 3 type vehicles. So it struggled a little bit, but again, my course wasn't really set up for these. It was more 18th scale stuff, so I'm happy with the way it did. I think with some little better tires, maybe some brass down low, it's going to do really well. 2-speed works good. Gives you that little extra boost. It's not a big difference, but it's enough. The only thing I wish it had was the dip switches up here, like some of the other FMS models have. But if you had a different controller, you could probably pick up one and have your diff switches. It does have a full interior, clear windows, like I said, cool bed rack, and the lights, on and off on the lights. You hit the bind button, it turns them off. Hit it again, it turns it on. You don't have indicators or anything like that, just headlights, which actually look really good. I don't know if it has spots. You could wire up some lights, and it looks like put them in the back, probably a 3mm light. So the light buckets do have spots for lights in the back. The bed's pretty shallow, but it looks like you could print a bed and maybe have a little bit lower bed, but you'd have to have a hump in the middle of it for everything to be able to fit. Somebody smarter than me could probably figure that out. But overall, again, FMS Fcx24m Toyota Tacoma. I think it's a decent little truck. Could be great for the size. Get some different links and some brass down low. It is straight axle like the other ones. Steering angle, is decent. But yeah, overall, it's a good little truck. I'm happy with it. Later on down the road, we'll get some upgrades for it and see how it goes from there. But that's it for this video. In the meantime, everybody like, subscribe, share, comment down below what you think of these. And everybody have a great day.